Business. 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 Business.
5 side hustles you can start with no money. Are you looking for the best side hustles you can start with no money? Making extra money doesn't have to cost you anything up front. You might think you need cash to get started, but that's not always true. Over the years, I've started many side hustles without spending a penny, so I personally know that it is possible. Best side hustles you can start with no money. Number 1, proofreading. If you want to make money without spending any, then proofreading could be your answer. It's a great side hustle that needs just your eyes and brain. Proofreaders check written work for mistakes. They look for spelling errors, wrong punctuation, and bad grammar. You don't need special tools to start, just a computer and internet. Number 2, freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to make money without spending any. Many websites, magazines, and companies need writers for their content. I have been a freelance writer for years, and I did not spend any money to get started. You can start right away with just your laptop and internet. Freelance writers get to work from home or anywhere they like. They can pick their own hours and choose the topics they want to write about. One nice thing about freelance writing is that you can do it part-time or full-time. You can earn extra cash on the side or turn it into your main job. Number 3, online tutoring. Online tutoring is one of the best side hustle ideas from home that you can do for free. And there are many topics that you may be able to tutor on, such as math, science, language, or even a hobby like playing the guitar. Pay varies, but many tutors make $20 to $50 an hour. Some experts in tough subjects can earn even more. Number 4, social media management. When I first started freelancing, I did a lot of social media management. It didn't cost me any money to get started. Instead, I learned as I went. Social media management is a great side hustle you can start for free. You just need a computer and internet connection. Many businesses want help with their social media accounts, but don't have time to do it themselves. You can offer to manage Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or other social media platforms for small businesses. This might include making posts, responding to comments, photography, and growing their followers. Number 5, YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun way to make money without spending any. All you need is a phone or computer with a camera. You can make videos about things you like or know a lot about, such as cooking, video games, or even telling jokes. You don't need fancy equipment. Just use what you have, especially when you're just getting started. Your channel could become a great side job. Some people even turn it into their main job. But don't worry about that now. Just have fun making videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive everything related to money and business.